Hey, hello, L97 here. Here's some video to demonstrate my plugin for the DAZ 4.23. Is a IK plugin that can help you control the rope chain tentacle-like object. Now, there's only one file that is this L97 ik.dll file, this 330 KB file. Put it inside your DAZ plugin folder, and the first time you run it, it's gonna create some log files, something like this. They are very tiny files, so you don't have to worry about they will occupy your hard disk drive. It's a FABRIK, which is a forward and backward reaching IK system. Now let me show you how it works. Now here's the DAZ scene, which is here's a girl with a choker with a metal chain, and with a shackle also with a metal chain, and in the middle there's a tentacle monster with 8 tentacles, and in the left side there is just a simple long rope. Now, how to open this plugin? In the Chinese version, there is edit menu. In the menu, you find edit and L97 IK. Click it. It's gonna show this user interface. Now, in English version, it should be under this edit menu, somewhere in this edit menu. I don't know where, but it should be here. Now, in this UI, you have to find firstly, you notice the left part is the button part. Always you click the plus button, and one target will be created. Now select this target and then find unfold a node object. Now pick the first rope node and click the pick root. Now this is the root, and everything will be circling around this root. And go to the last node and click pick tip, and then click build. Now it will automatically create it will automatically toggle this enable IK, and will automatically select the target object. Now target object is in the list here. This is the target object. Now the concept of target object. No, sorry, this is IRE mode. We have to go to the texture mode like this, so for real time dragging. Now the concept of target is that it's an empty object that all this node will try to reach this target. If this target position is outside the reaching range, now all this node will try to follow it. Now, if this target object is inside their reaching range, then it will calculate all very smoothly. Now, all these red dots are created to show you the actual node, actual point that is being calculated for this pose, for the pose of this rope. Now, this red dot is actually this object, the L97 IK visa overlay. It's him. Now when you for each chain object, you toggle this show IK keyword markers, and then now this one will be deleted. And when you toggle it on, now it will be created again. Now currently we just toggle it off. Now I can click this target object in the scene scene object list. Now and drag it. Now but the scene object list is gonna be very complex. It's very hard to pick this thing. So the more convenient way is here to click this button. Now this button is actually this object. It's all the same. When for example, if I am selecting a random object in the scene and I click this one, now it will automatically click to the help you select the target, and you can start dragging like this. Now some of the function and buttons here, let me show you how it works. All this weight tolerance, maximum iteration, they are just make slightly different for the final shape of this object. they don't have make a big difference. You can try it by yourself. The default numbers are very good. You don't have to touch it most of the cases. And this snap target to tip, like I showed, if you drag this thing really far and outside of the range of the rope, now you can click this snap target to tip. Now it will go back to the range of your all the things can reach. Now this fixed transformation is when you need it to click this button, is when you drag it, maybe rotate too many circles, and some of the rope like here or here maybe twisted, have a bad position. Now in this time you need to click this fixed transform. It will help you go to the default position and reset the twisted and the rotation of the rope. Now this reset chain will help you go to the default initial pose when you rig this rope. Now the final button is this delete IK chain. It will delete every setup here and delete this button also. Now this show IK methods will show this red dot for later use, maybe help you visualize which node are being calculated. And this is this draw behind mesh depth test is actually oh yeah, let me show this number 3 or 5 is just actually the dot size. And when you toggle this on, what will happen is that an object like this gore or this tentacle monster will hide the red dot in behind it. And if you toggle it off, all this red dot will always be overlay on the top screen. That's almost all the buttons. And here is a function to shrink the UI to a very small version. Now this is very powerful because when you have set up all the IK chains, and you can all the target list will be listed here, and you don't need to change all these things anymore. You just need a very clean and simple interface that you can select each of the target and pose it. Let me show you how this works. Let me toggle this off, and let's go to this gore's choker chain. I create a new node and find this chain. Find this chain and unfold it. Go to the last node, pick the tip, build chain. Now the red dot shows it is working. Now I can drag it. See, very smooth and okay. If there's another character like you can put this handle right inside that another character's hand, like this man is dragging this girl. It's very convenient to exactly point this chain to any pose that you like. And let's go to another one. Go to the chain shackle. You can see that this object has this object has a lot of this very colorful, the so-called ERC controlling system, which those are pre-made morphs or rotating preset that can help you look at what it shows. It will bend the node from 37 to L97. Yeah, it will bend those things. It's very buggy, very too complex to control those things. Let me show you using my IK how to control it. It's just very easy to pick a root and pick the tip, build chain. Now it's ready to go. Now you can drag it very smoothly to anywhere you want, anywhere you like it. Now you can drag it like this. Now this thing can be placed in anywhere in your viewport. You can drag it. It's very flexible. Let me do some more, like another one. Like let's go to this tentacle monster and unfold it. See, this monster has only one piece of mesh. See the surface, it has only one piece of mesh, and it has 8 tentacles, which listed here from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 8. Like, see, this is an 8 tentacle monster. Now I first pick the first tentacles root. I want this node, and I pick root and go to this one, pick the tip and build chain. Now it's good to go, and I can create another one. Let's go to the second one. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one. And pick root, go to the last, pick tip, build chain. Now the red line shows, red dot shows. Now it's good to go. It's controlling this one. See? Very nice. See? Now, when something like this twisting or this unpleasant image happens, you need to click this fix transform. Now it will go back to, it will help you twist those not good looking part. Now help you can repost it again, reposing it again, like this. Now that's why I designed it like this. Now when you set up all the chains like in this scene, you can see that this rope, these two chains and these tentacle monsters, you can now all this IK has been set, and now I don't need those numbers and buttons anymore for each the target. I only need to select this button. I can put it right here. Now, if I click this, I can select the rope, right? I can drag it, pose it, and select this. I can select this and drag it, and pose it, and select this and select and pose it. Something like this. That's how I designed this thing. Yes, that's more of it. Now when you're happy with the pose, you can go to the area and render it. Everything is very fast. You can render a lot of pages of with the IK chain things. Thanks for watching. This is the L97. I made this plugin in several days. Thank you.